Disassembly of the accessories for the engine. Turn off the harness plug for the engine pressure switch. Turn off harness plug for the carbon canister solenoid valve. Turn off harness plug for ignition coil. Turn out harness plug for intake air temperature pressure sensor. Turn out harness plug for throttle valve. Turn off harness plug for camshaft position sensor. Turn off harness plug for 3 injector. Turn off harness plug for knock sensor. Turn off harness plug for speed sensor. Turn off harness plug for crankshaft position sensor. Turn off harness plug for generator. Remove B anode connecting wire for generator. Remove anode supply line of starter and start signal plug. Remove grounding wire. Turn off harness plug for coolant temperature sensor. Turn off harness plug for backup lamp switch. Remove harness assembly for engine. Remove fixing bracket bolts for throttle. Take off fixing bracket. Remove bolts for throttle valve assembly. Remove throttle valve assembly. Remove fixing bolts for coolant water wipe brackets. Remove spring slab hoop for coolant water pipe. Take off coolant water pipe bracket and hose. Remove fixing bolts of intake air manifold fixing brackets and take off bracket. Remove fixing bolts of coolant water pipe assembly and take off coolant water pipe assembly. Remove fixing nuts for intake air manifold. Remove intake air manifold assembly. Remove fixing bolts of starter. Remove starter. Remove bolts for flywheel baffle. Remove flywheel baffle. Remove fixing bolts for crankshaft position sensor. Take off crankshaft position sensor. Remove fixing bolts for transmission tank. Remove transmission tank. Remove fixing bolts for clutch clamp. Take off clutch clamp and the driven plate. Remove bolts for oil rail injector assembly. Remove oil rail injector assembly. Remove lock sensor. Turn off 3 ignition coils. Remove coolant temperature sensor. Remove fixing bolt for camshaft position sensor. Remove camshaft position sensor. Remove fixing bolts for generator and then remove the generator. Remove bolts for generator adjustment arm. Remove generator adjustment arm. Remove front and rear transient brackets. Remove generator belts. Use screwdriver to fix water pump pulley. Remove water pump pulley bolts. Remove water pump pulley. Use special tools to prevent ring gear from rotating that is shown in the picture. Remove fixing bolt for torsional damper. Remove torsional damper.